Hello there. In one of my videos, someone commented and asked if I could do a better video showing the standard headlight setup on the Q4 E-Tron. So these are the non-matrix headlights, just the standard headlights. So, here we go. This is the headlights. Standard daytime running lights, so you can't have fancy options, just straight lines on those. Headlights are in below, full beam or high beams are towards the centre. The indicators are just straight LED strips. Nothing fancy, no sweeping or anything like that. And it does have indicators on the mirrors as well. Moving around the back then, no full width light bar. It looks like it's got one, but it doesn't. So you get a single reversing light, single little indicators, no sweeping action, big centre brake light, but just normal little lights on either side, and a single fog light. I believe you get 2 fog lights and 2 reversing lights with the Matrix LED pack. So here they are from a different angle. 2 side lights on the rear and a single indicator. Indicator on the mirror. Straight LED indicators where the daytime running lights would be. Just unlock this so the headlights come on. When the indicators are on, the daytime running lights are off. Moving on to interior lighting. This is an S-line, so you get the light up kick plate on the door. And the 2 matte lights in the front. LED strips, but only white. They can't change colour. That goes round across the dashboard and into the door panels. It also lights up the door pockets. And you get LED strips in the rear doors and 2 map lights or 2 reading lights in the back as well. This is quite a lot of lighting for when you're driving in the dark, as I found a few weeks ago. So in settings, you can go in and you can turn the brightness down. Now this doesn't show up particularly well on the camera, but it is getting dimmer as I hit it darker, and that is all the interior lighting. Virtual cockpit, the dashboard, the MMI screen all get a bit dimmer. You can also put that on reduced display, and I can switch the center screen off, so I can minimize the amount of glare and cut down the amount of lighting for when I'm driving at night. And in this setup I do have the view set, so the speedo and everything are quite small. Another thing to note, there are no front fog lights available on the Q4 E-Tron. You do get an all-weather setting on the Matrix LED pack, but that's it, not on the standard headlights. That's all I've got for you for this video. Again, not a very exciting one, but it was a request, so hope you're happy. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.